Daily advice from the heart. Meditation on dedicating one's life to others. Those who dedicate their lives to others in terms of health, education, spiritual life, family, or social life, or in any other field, gladden my heart. Every human society generates its burdens of problems and suffering. To do whatever is possible to resolve such difficulties is certainly worthy of praise. From the Buddhist point of view, it is important not to help someone simply out of duty or pleasure, in the way some people like gardening, for example. If one acts out of love and compassion with a smile and a few friendly words, one will definitely give happiness to others. The action itself may seem the same, but its benefits will be infinitely greater.